Good morning, students. In the today's class also we are discussing the sacrifice ratio. How to find out the sacrifice ratio? In this case, they are given the old ratio of the old partners and the share of new partners and agreed share of the old partners. Last case ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 case ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. They should be given directly. They should be given the old ratio of the old partners and new ratio of the all partners. But here in this case, here they should be given the old ratio of the old partner and share of the new partner and agreed share of the old partners. Okay, here we should be calculate the sacrifice ratio. Okay, in this case, okay, see here the next problem. Here P and Q are partners. Here who are the old partners like P and Q are the partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, here the P and Q of the partners like old partners, the old ratio will be 2:1. After that they are admitting R as a new partner into the partnership firm and give him 1/6th share. Okay, when they are admitting new partner into the partnership firm, they should be given 1/6th share. Okay, after that, P and Q agreed to share the remaining share. Like old partners, remaining share they are given. P and Q agreed to share the remaining share in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, here they should be given in the ratio of 3:2 of the remaining share of the old partners. First, here in this case, here we should be calculate the remaining share. Okay, the remaining share we should be calculated on the new partner share. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು remaining share ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ on the basis of new partner share. Here who is the new partner? All share. Okay, how much they are given the R share? 1/6. Okay, here we should be given the R share 1/6. Here next we should be find out the remaining share. Okay, here we should be find out the remaining share. Okay, remaining share here we should be find out the remaining share is calculated on the basis of R share. Like here commonly we should be taken as 1. Okay, common ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ 1 and the remaining share of the share of the new partner. Okay, here we should be do the cross multiplication like 6 ones are 6, 1 ones are 1, 6 ones are 6. The remaining share 5/6. or directly ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು 6 minus 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 5/6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, here 5/6 of the remaining share. Okay, remaining share is the 5/6. ನೋಡಿ agreed share 3 plus 2 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ 5 ಆಗಿದೆ 5/6. Next here on the basis of here we should be find out the new profit sharing ratio. Here we should be find out the new profit sharing ratio is equals to new profit sharing ratio is equals to agreed share into remaining share. Agreed share into remaining share. Okay, in this case here we should be taken new share of P. Next new share of Q. New share of Q. Okay, here agreed share of they are given 3/5, 2/5 into remaining share we should be get 5/6. Okay, in this case we should be do the multiplication like 5 3s are 3 5s are 15, 5 6s are 30, 5 2 5s are 10, 5 6s are 30. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5 ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 5 3s are 5 6s are 5 2s are 5 6s are. Okay, here we should be get 3/6 2 by 6. 2 by 6. Okay, here we should get 3 by 6 and 2 by 6. Okay, easy again find the cancel agide. Here we should get new profit sharing ratio is P 3 by 6 Q 2 by 6. Next, here in this case, here we should be calculate the sacrifice ratio. Here we should be calculate the sacrifice ratio. What is the formula of sacrifice ratio? Old share minus new share. Old share minus new share. Okay, here in this case, here share sacrificed by P. Next, share sacrificed by Q. Okay, in this case, how much you are getting the old ratio? 2:1. Here we should be taken 2 by 3, 1 by 3 minus new ratio we should be get 3 by 6, 2 by 6. Okay, here we should be do the cross multiplication. Like 6 2s or 2 6s are 12 minus 3 3s are 9 by 6 3s are 18. Okay, next 1 6s are 6 minus 3 2s are 6, 3 6s are 18. Okay, ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು 3 ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 3 4s are 3 3s are 3 9s are sorry 3 6s are. Okay, next 3 2s are 3 2s are 3 6s are 3 6s are. Okay, 3 6s are 3 6s are 18. Okay, in this case ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 4 minus 3 1 by 6. Here we should be taken 0 by 6. Okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ old share is sacrificed by P only. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ Q we should be getting as a 0. Old share is sacrificed by who is a P only, like 1 by 6. Nodi, here they should be having the new share of the new partner 1 by 6. Here, therefore, the share sacrificed by P 1 by 6. Okay, share sacrifice only. P will be sacrificed the share like 1 by 6. Okay, here next problem now nona. Here A and B are partners. Here who are the partners? A and B are the partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 7:5. Okay, here who are the old partners like A and B? The old ratio of the old partners 7:5. After that, here they are made C into the partnership. Okay, who is the new partner here? C. C into the new as a new partner into the partnership firm. After that, here they should be give him new share of the new partner 1 by 4th share. Okay, after that, A and B agreed to remaining share equally. A and B agreed to share the remaining share equally or agreed share equally. Here we should be calculate the sacrifice ratio. Here they should be given old ratio of the old partners like 7:5. When they are admitting C as a new partner into the firm, they should be given 1 by 4th share. After that, here remaining share like A and B is they are given the remaining share or agreed share equally nothing but 1:1. Okay, here also we should be find out the remaining share on the basis of new partner share. Like here, who is the new partner? C's share. Here they should be given as 1 by 4th share. They should be given the new partner share 1 by 4th share. After that, here we should be find out the remaining share. Remaining share is equals to commonly we should be taken as 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 1 ones are 1, 4 ones are 4. Here we should be get 3 by 4. 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. Okay. Here after that, here we should be find out the new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is equals to agreed share into remaining share. Agreed share into remaining share. Agreed share into remaining share. Okay, here new share of A. Okay, next here we should be taken new share of B. Okay, in this case here we should be taken the agreed share equally nothing but 1:1. Equally nothing but 1:1. Okay, here we should be taken 1/2 into remaining share 3/4. Okay, here we should be taken 3 ones are 3, 4 twos are 8, 3 ones are 3, 4 twos are 8. Here we should be taken 3/8 equally 3/8, 3/8. Here on the basis of here we should be find out the remaining share and new share of the old partners. After that, here we should be calculate the sacrifice ratio. Here we should be calculate the sacrifice ratio. Okay, what is the formula to calculate the sacrifice ratio? Old share minus new share. Old share minus new share. Okay, here share sacrificed by next share sacrificed by A. Share sacrificed by A. Next share sacrificed by B. Okay, in this case, here we should be get old ratio like 7:5, 7/12, 5/12 minus new share like 3/8. Here we should be get new ratio 3/8, 3/8. Okay, here we should be taken 7 8s. We should be do the cross multiplication like 7 8s are. Here we should be get 56. 7 8s are 56. Next 12 3s are 36. 36 divided by 12 8s are. Here we should be get 96. 12 8s are 96. Next 5 8s are 40. 12 3s are 36 divided by 12 8s are 96. Okay, here ಯಾವದಾದ್ರು ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು 4 ಇಂದ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಎಷ್ಟು 4 14s are 4 14s are 56. 4 9s are 36. Next 4 24s are 96. 4 24s are 96. Next 4 10s are 4 9s are 4 24s are. Okay, 4 10s are 40. 4 9s are 36. 4 24s are 96. Okay, here I'll get 14 minus 9 5/24. Next 10 minus 9 1/24. Okay, here we should break sacrifice ratio of A 5/24, B 1/24. Okay, here therefore the sacrifice ratio of A and B is 5/24 is to 1 by 24 or 5 is to 1. 1 by 24 or 5 by 24 or is to 1 by 24 or 5 is to 1. Okay students, thank you. We should be continuing in the next class. Okay, thank you students.